Rustin and Snatch's garage. Be doing a little windshield polishing. I noticed that my windshield has some little stone chips from the highway for the past, gosh, I've had it for as long as I've said in other videos. And I've kind of noticed that it's a little speckled when I'm driving. So what I do is I've got the windshield mostly cleaned. I've added a little spray wax, and I have some polishing compound that I'm going to work in and hopefully get out some of those little chips and whatnot. So I'm going to start with the polishing disc, and then I'm going to switch over to the buffing pad. Good boy. So I've been polishing on the windshield for about 10, maybe 15 minutes. It's a mixture of fast wax and polishing compound. It's hard to tell. Yeah, it's just a regular polishing compound. And this here fast wax, high performance cleaning wax. It seems to work pretty good. I use it on my windows and everything. So I'm just going to let that sit until it hazes up a bit, and then I'll hit it with the buffing pad on my little Simonized polisher here. It's not a good buffing pad, the mice got to it, but it should do the trick and bring it back up to fairly smooth. Hopefully get rid of some of those pesky stone chips, the micro ones that are hard to see through in very bright conditions. And then I'm going to polish it with a cotton cloth after, just to get any of the extra residue off. And you can see it's getting nice and hazy. The unfortunate thing is I don't have another fresh polishing sock here. I'm sure there's some sort of hack you can do, but I'm just going to hand polish this after the buffer gets done making good work of it, and that should just be fine. I mean, it's just a windshield, so. Yeah, so you can see it's pretty clean, pretty clear. Used a microfiber wash mitt, nice clean one. This is after the polishing. So there's the hazy side, and there's the clear side. There you have it.